Hello, and welcome to our special report, 5 ways to measure more accurately with a combination square. Now the combination square is an incredibly powerful tool in anyone's tool belt and can take a lot of human error out of taking measurements or performing your layout. Let's get started with our first trick. Number 1. On the money depth and thickness gauge. This easy trick is a perfect way to get your thickness measurements bang on, or as I'm about to demonstrate, a great way to lay out depth perfect every single time. So I'm going to start out by setting my combo square to 2 inches, always wanting to make sure that the 2-inch mark is in line with the 90-degree edge. I place my square flat on my surface and run my chalk along the end of the ruler. It's a perfectly simple method, and you can run your line for as long as you want. Trick number 2. Accurate and adjustable dado and rabbet gauge. Sometimes measuring and drawing extended lines can end in small errors, while not with a combo square. I will demonstrate how easy it can be to lay out a 1-inch centered dado joint perfectly without measuring any lines. I start with 5-inch wide material, and I need to lay out a 1-inch groove on center. This is too easy. I simply set my combo square to 2 inches and scribe on either side of my material, giving me a perfect 1-inch groove on center. Trick number 3. The 90-degree level. It's perfect for small installs. There's not too much to go over here, just the fact that most people tend to forget that their combination square even has a level in it. Using one of my workbenches as an example, we can see that it's not quite level. This method of leveling can be very picky, however. Moving the camera over, we can see that at least my bench is square. I'm showing you this because utilizing the square and level together can be very handy. Trick number 4. Foolproof table saw measurements. This is a really awesome little trick because I never trust any table saw with a built-in measuring system. I always pull my own measurements off the blade. I will use the combo square here as an example of how easy it can be to make perfect cuts every single time, completely taking out any guesswork. I will start by setting my combination square to 3 inches, with the 90-degree side resting gently on the outside face of my blade. I slowly draw the fence towards the end of the ruler. When the 90-degree face is resting on the outside face of the blade and the fence is resting on the ruler, you can lock the fence into place and you receive a perfect cut every single time. I saved the best trick for last, the surprise scribe. Guess what? There's been a surprise waiting for you in every single combination square, and let me show you. If you look on the bottom of any combination square, there should be a little nub. If you pull on that nub, out comes your surprise scribe. Now that I've shown you this scribe, let me show you an ideal use for it. Scribing a line into mild steel. It works well on wood, but it works much better on steel. Thank you for letting me show you around the combination square and all the cool little tricks that it can do for you. I hope you enjoyed, and as always, thank you very much for watching.